Hey guys, this is AP Breaks, and today we have a random pack opening video. So we have Donruss Elite 2020, Upper Deck 2008, two of those. And we have one 2013, Topps Football Hobby. And then we have a hanger box of Rookies and Stars. Found this at Target, actually. So those are the packs, and I think we're gonna go 2008, and then we're gonna do 2013, then the hanger box, and then Elite. So let's start off with 2008. Don't really know all the good rookies that came out of this class. Give me 1 second, gotta move the camera up. And here we go. We have Julius Jones. Oh, they're kind of like sticky because how old they are. Anquan Bolden. Jared Allen. Terrell Owens. Willie McGee. Joseph. Kurt Warner, Sammy Parker, Drew Brees. I think we actually got a hidden here. Matt Hasselbeck, Leon Washington, Antonio Camardi, Justin Fergus, Randall Godfrey. We did get a jersey card. Jonathan Stewart at a 350. I actually know who he is. He was on the on the Panthers in Super Bowl 50. So that's pretty cool. We got a numbered hit. And then star rookies. Presley. Jonathan Goff. And our last card is Aqib Talib. That's pretty good. He just retired too. So that's a really good rookie card. So that's a pretty good first pack. A good rookie, and a good rookie jersey card. So, second pack. Here we go. What is that? Okay. There's a lot of base cards in here. Aaron, Rex, Matt, Chad Johnson. Holy stick. Then we have Larry Johnson, DeMarcus Ware, Wardrick Dunn, Jay Cutler, and Ben Roethlisberger. And then Tom Brady. I'm sorry. And then his name, Torrey Holt. I can't. Brian Westbrook, Moss, Miller. What is this? I do not know what this is. 20th anniversary hobby preview. Buy 2008 Upper Deck and Fleer product and receive a hobby exclusive 2000 anniversary incredible buy pack, and then incredible grand prize. Coming March 2008. That's pretty cool. Malcolm Kelly, Derek Harvey, Doms, and Jacob Hester. So that is it for our 2008. And now we have 2013. There's 50 cards in here, so kind of a lot. And if we can get a DeAndre Hopkins, I'll be happy. Rookie card. Oh, okay. Well, I guess there's a mini card. Willis McGee. That's kind of surprising. Not numbered. Peyton Manning. Davis Locker. Kendall Wright. Darius Blair Walsh. Pierre Garcon. Arakpo. And Fletcher. Forte. Kendricks. Richardson. Smith. Wagner. Miller. Rice. Philadelphia Eagles. Mario Smith. Gates. Robert Quinn. Then we have a like gold-ish out of 2013. Andre Johnson. He was a really good wide receiver. Kurt Warner. Build Your Legacy Challenge. Card. I don't know what that is. 4,000 Yard Club, Tony Romo. 1,000 Yard Club, Chris Johnson. Future Legends, Sam Bradford. Reggie Wayne. Miami Dolphins. Michael Floyd. Thomas Suggs. Jared Jackson. Steve Smith. Brandon LaFell. Here is one of our rookies. Zach Ertz, pretty good. Giovanni Bernard. Monty Ball. Arthur Brown. Lamar Taylor. Jamie Collins, I've heard of him. John Bostic. Gavin Escobar. Williams. And then Butler. Bo. Reggie Bush. Brian. And Welker. That's a pretty good pack too. We actually did get a few good names. And we did get a numbered card. 1 second. I'll just put this to the side. And here is our hanger box. And let's go with the hanger. 2020 Rookies and Stars. I've done a lot of this on my channel. Because Rookies and Stars has actually upgraded. Oh yeah, and this is my Patrick Mahomes background. The 1 of 10. The rookie Squires. Another jersey card and a numbered impressions. From Prestige, Donruss, Panini, and Certified. And here we go. It's our big pack. Like these for our secondary market. What is that? It's like a little bend to it. But that's fine. It's just the Kid Reporter. So let's go. Hopkins, Waller, Diggs, Montgomery, Odell, Kelsey, Lockett, Haskins, Green, Ryan, Mack, Murray, Josh, or Jacobs, Singletary, Robinsons, yeah, Robinson, Godwin, Hill, Henry, Garoppolo, they're always flipping, Chubb, Bridgewater, Chark, Jones, Allen, Howard, Stafford, Roethlisberger, Breeze, A.J. Brown, Ryan Kerrigan, Baker Mayfield, Todd Gurley, Minshew, Fitzgerald. Ooh, a purple Brady. That's actually pretty good. In his Bucks uniform. Pretty good. Von Miller, purple. And a John Hightower. Okay, I'll take that all day. Look at that. A Crusade rookie of Tua Tagovailoa. That's a really good card. Then Lamar, Watson, Mahomes. I'll go in my Mahomes collection. Rookie rush of Justin Herbert. Okay. I'll take that. Then we have Nick Bosa, action-packed. Kyler Murray, Ticketmasters. Tyler Lockett, standing ovations. And here are our rookies. Gay, Montez, Gibson, Mooney, Claypool. Chason, Kinlaw, Tua, rookie. Donovan Peoples-Jones. Then A.J. Terrell, C.J. Henderson, Taylor, Morgan, Keyshawn Vaughn, and Tommy Stevens. I think that was a pretty good pack of hanger backs of rookies and stars. And our final pack is Elite. Here we go. Derrick Henry, Van Der Esch, Jeff Okudah, rookie elitist, not numbered. And then Sanders and Gilmore. That's pretty underwhelming. But, you know, it is what it is. So that is the end of the video. And these are like all of our highlights. Jeff Okudah, Claypool, Tua, Herbert, Tua, Brady, Zach Ertz, Jamie Collins, a mini of Willis McGee, a numbered card of Andre Johnson, Aqib Talib rookie, and our hit was Jonathan Stewart rookie, and a 350. So that is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and AP Breaks is out. Have a nice night.